Hey fam, Coach Nate here. Today we've got a powerful stretch and mobility routine that will loosen up your hips, hamstrings and core. This routine is perfect to wake up your body, improve flexibility and get your blood flowing. Let's dive in and feel the stretch fam. Let's go. Let's start with a deep squat into T rotation. Begin by sinking down into a deep squat, feet shoulder width apart, keeping your heels grounded. Place one hand on the floor and as you exhale, rotate the other arm up toward the sky, creating a T shape your body. Look up at your raised hand, feeling the stretch in your chest and upper back. Lower your arm back down and repeat on the other side. Keep alternating, flowing with each breath. Now, let's move into frog squat. From your deep squat position, place your elbows inside your knees and press your knees outward with your arms, creating space in your hips. Stay in this position and rotate, shifting your weight from one leg to another leg. Continue this movement, feeling the stretch in your hips. This is a great dynamic stretch for opening up your hips and releasing tension in your lower back. Stay with it for 40 seconds. Keep the flow gentle but controlled. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, we'll stand up tall and move into a standing forward fold with toe sweeps. Hinge at your hips, reaching down towards your toes for a deep hamstring stretch. If you can't touch your toes, that's okay. Just reach as far as it feels comfortable. Now sweep your feet with both hands, allowing your back and hamstring to stretch. This movement will not only stretch your legs, but also improve flexibility in your spine and shoulders. Keep your breath steady as you move through the flow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time to lengthen and stretch the sides of your body. Stand tall, feet hip width apart, and reach over to the one side as you exhale, reaching through the side of your body. Inhale to come back to the center, then switch sides, reaching the opposite arm toward your feet. Continue alternating, creating space in your ribs and stretching the lats. Each time you reach, feel the length along your side body, from your hips to your fingertips. This stretch helps improve flexibility and increases mobility in your torso and spine. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next up, we're doing WID Stance Toe Touches. Stand with your feet wide apart, arms extended out to the sides. Reach your right hand down towards your left foot, keeping your legs straight, then bend back to center. Now reach your left hand towards your right foot. Keep alternating, twisting your torso as you reach. This stretch targets your hamstrings, inner thighs, and lower back. It also engages your core as you twist from side to side. Keep moving smoothly and let each reach lengthen your body even more. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's finish strong with some standing crunches. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart and place your hands behind your head. As you exhale, bring your chest forward with your upper body to meet at the waist. Inhale to return to standing, then repeat, feeling that core engage with each movement. This stretch not only works your abs, but also helps improve balance and coordination. Stay with it for 60 seconds, getting stronger with each rep. Great job fam. In just 5 minutes, you've stretched, lengthened and activated your entire body. These moves are perfect for improving flexibility, boosting mobility and getting your core engaged. Let me know in the comments how you feel, and don't forget to subscribe. Save this routine for whenever you need a quick warm-up or stretch session, and keep your body moving and feeling great. Let's stay strong and flexible, fam. Peace out. Let's go.